Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to check copyright claims in YouTube Studio in 2026. So if you're worried about strikes, blocked videos, or monetization issues, yeah, this is where you can see everything clearly. First, open YouTube in your browser and sign in to your account. Then click your profile picture and select YouTube Studio. Once inside, click the Content tab from the left side menu. This is where all your uploaded videos are stored. Now look at the videos list. You'll see a restrictions column that shows copyright claims or issues. If you see a claim icon, click on the video to open its details page. Scroll down to the copyright section. Here you'll see whether the claim is active and what content was detected. Click See Details to find out which part of the video is claimed and who owns the content. Some claims just monetize your video for the copyright owner, while others can block your video in certain countries. If needed, you can trim the segment, replace the song, or dispute the claim if you believe it's incorrect. You can also go to the Copyright tab in YouTube Studio to see all claims and strikes across your entire channel. Even small copyrighted audio in the background can trigger claims, so always double-check your content before uploading. So yeah, that's how to check copyright claims in YouTube Studio in 2026. Staying on top of this helps protect your channel and monetization. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.